They say some men are born violent. John Wesley Hardin proved it. By the age of 15, he had already killed. He claimed he'd shot over 40 men. Most historians say the number was lower, but it didn't matter. In 1871, Hardin was staying at a hotel. The man in the next room was snoring. Hardin warned him to stop. The snoring continued. So Hardin pulled his revolver and fired through the wall. The man died instantly. Hardin didn't run. He never ran. Years later, after prison and a so-called redemption, he was shot in the back of the head inside a saloon in El Paso. The West didn't forgive, and it never forgot.